second you look at somebody and say, I would never hire that person again, is the second you need to fire them. And I agree with that 100%. Once I realize you're not a I would never hire you again, I'm gonna fire you. You're doing a bad job for me, and I don't say, look, Nick, I gotta make a different move, I gotta let you go. I don't do that. So you stay on with me for 5 more years. I'm miserable for 5 years because I gotta deal with your incompetence. I gotta deal with you not doing what you tell me you're gonna do. I gotta deal with always wondering what's going on with this, what's going on with that. I miss an opportunity maybe 2, 3, 4 times throughout that period of time that I could have hired somebody that's exceptional at what you do. You also, what I didn't do is I didn't do you a justice either, because I knew I was gonna let you go, but I held you on for 5 more years. And all you was during that 5 years is an employee. And you didn't really grow, but maybe you missed your opportunity of the perfect job also, because I didn't let you go, or you realized you didn't like the job, but you didn't want to quit yet. You didn't quit, so it's a two-way highway all the way across. Both people are affected, both the employer and the employee are affected when either one of them. I mean, once you decide you're gonna leave a job, you should leave that job also. You should say, hey, I'm gonna go find a job I can do, and actively go do it. And not take 2 years and, you burn 2 years from an employer that could have used you for 2 years. Now, maybe if you're working on an assembly line and just putting objects in a box, maybe that don't matter. But if you're building a skill within the business that makes that business better, then you owe it to the business just like the business owes it to you.